There is a natural rhythm with you, a flow of emotion, creativity, and energy. A part of you that knows how to feel, to create, to experience life fully. But sometimes that flow becomes blocked. And when it does, your energy can feel stagnant, restricted, or disconnected. In this meditation, we gently restore that flow, activating, clearing, and balancing your sacral chakra. Before we begin, the sacral chakra is located in the lower abdomen, just below the navel. This energy center is connected to creativity, pleasure, emotion, and flow. It governs how freely you allow yourself to feel, to express, and to receive. When this chakra is balanced, your energy flows with ease. You feel open, creative, and connected to your emotions. Today, we simply allow this energy center to return to its natural state of balance. So join me in finding a comfortable position. Allow your body to soften. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in, and gently exhale. Again, inhale and exhale, letting go. Bring your awareness into your body. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath. Allow your stomach to soften, your hips to relax. Let your body feel fluid, loose. Now, bring your awareness to your lower abdomen. Visualize a warm, glowing orange light, soft, fluid, and gently moving. With each inhale, this light expands. It becomes clearer, brighter with each exhale. Imagine this energy like water flowing gently with you. moving freely without resistance. There is no need to control, only to allow. Now, imagine a gentle energy flowing through your sacral chakra. Softly dissolving any heaviness, any stagnation. There is nothing to force, nothing to fix. Just allow the energy to move. As it flows, your sacral chakra becomes balanced, open and aligned. Gently repeat if it feels right. I allow my energy to flow. I am creative. I am open to experience. Rest here for a few moments, feeling the gentle energy flowing within you. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body. Gently move your fingers. And when you're ready, softly open your eyes. This was part 2 of the Chakra Healing Series. You can return to this practice at any time to reconnect with your natural flow and creativity. When you're ready, continue to part 3, where we'll be working with the solar plexus chakra. Subscribe for the full series and ongoing Reiki and meditation practices.